All right. Hey guys, Jarek with Bull Stocks here. Just taking a look at VUZI. VUZIX, you guys know I'm all about this company. This is an awesome company and it is going to do things. So this pattern that I'm noticing right here, look at this beautiful stairway to heaven is what I like to call it. When you have volume, this is kind of what happens. And so some people might look at this as a cup and handle right here, which I do. I look at this as a cup and handle, and there's the handle there, and take a look at that. It swung from 24.85 all the way up to 25.43. So whole dollar swing there just on that one. Now, some people would also consider it a bull flag, just depending on how you look at it. So this beautiful, beautiful chart, what does it mean? What's it going to do? Well, looking at it, there is no new news for today. It's just yesterday. You got VUZIX augmented reality glasses deployed at Cooper Vision Warehouse. That's same news from yesterday. Nothing new there. So it could be because it is quadruple witching day. Could be that. Could also be because it had lots of good news in the past 2 days. One being that ARK Invest CEO Kathy Wood had invested more and more money into VUZIX. That could be a part of it. What's going on here? Why did my line not draw? Come on. So right here, this is the trend that it seems to be pulling here. So we can go from here all the way to here. All right, and it looks like it's starting to taper off a little bit, but I don't know. I'm not worried. I'll take a look at the 5-minute chart here, 5-day, 5-minute. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, so as you see here, hey, queso, yeah, yummy. As you see here, it went from $20 and we'll call it 2064, went all the way up to 2588 the prior day. Then it did a nice little cup. I thought it was trying to form another cup and handle, but it was not. It decided to plummet back down to the 23 range. But today's looking pretty strong, staying between the 24 and the 25 range. So that's pretty good. What is this telling me right here? So this right here, let me get my other little tool here. This right here is telling me that this is a level of resistance for it. 25.93. Let me undo that. Undo. There we go. I would say, if I want to be really close, I would say 25. Come on. 25. Yeah, right about there. 25.90, 25.88, something like that. We'll put it right there. So that is its level of resistance. It seems to be bonking its head on that. Good news is it's above VWAP, so when it throws up something, a pattern or what have you, past that mark there, and we'll go back to the 1 minute. So what I've noticed here, now you guys know that we like to play with the 3-line strike and the 3-bar play. In this chart, it is very, there's no, I don't see a 3-line strike. I don't see really a 3-bar play there. That might be one right there. And then it goes up. Yep. But so what we're looking for here is for VUZI to go ahead and shoot up to that 26, because once it hits 26, I believe if it does it today, then I believe that it's going to be $28 somewhere around there when it takes a break. Now, as I've said before, And I did call it this week that VUZI was going to go up to $26, and it did yesterday. 26.22, the high of the 52 weeks. It's its 52-week high. And it seemed to have done it so easily. It wasn't rough at all. I wonder if it's starting to trade a little sideways now. So let's see. I like to check my levels of support and resistance, which I think we all should do. Because if you do check your levels of support and resistance, then you'll know roughly what's going on, what it might be doing. As you see here, I've drawn my lines at the 50 RSI and the 40 RSI. That's to show me which direction it's starting to head. As you've noticed, it's only dipped below 50 just a few times, so I'm still very hopeful, and I believe firmly that it's still in a nice bull trend for the day. Excuse me, coffee. Right now it is 8:16, so all the Robinhood traders are coming out, waking up, and not really doing much to the market. Typically around 8 o'clock, this is when things start getting a little weird. Now, if you do notice down here on the MACD, this is a little scary here because it hasn't put up a lot of green. The MACD has been, yes, it put up green here and green here, but as you noticed, it's tapered off because the volume has tapered off as well. So we're getting a little bit more red, which makes me a little worrisome. And it seems to be now creating a new pattern here. We'll see what it does. But yeah, if you guys like the channel, like the things we do on here, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and punch or knock the crap out of that bell, because we're only growing, and we will put out better and better news for you, better information on tickers, better tickers, things that we see running here in the future. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, also put them in the comments and let us know. But today's question, as we're watching this, is: will VUZI hit $28 today? I'm pretty sure it'll hit 26, but will it hit 28? Now, I do have 375 shares at stake, and I bought those shares at $15.58. So I'm sitting pretty right now. I bought the last dip. So let's see. Let's take a look just real quick, because it is quad witching day. Let's take a look and see what's going on with some of these other ones. Here's the GameStop. GameStop is at 190. Let's see. We got AMC at 1391. Fun news about AMC is, they should be opening up all of their U.S. theaters by March 26th. It looks like GameStop, where is it? I read something about AMC Entertainment CEO's 2020 compensation more than doubled to nearly $21 million. So I don't know if that's good news or bad news, but there you have it for AMC. These charts are also not really putting anything else up here. Let me go back to the big screen. Let's change this to AMC real quick. Yeah, as you see, it's really not doing a whole lot. It did get up above VWAP, which is beautiful. That's nice. I do hold a few shares of AMC just in case it does go to the moon like everybody's anticipating. The disruption with AMC and GameStop and SNDL has really messed with my account. So I decided that, if I can't beat them, I'm going to join them. So I got a couple shares in AMC and I got a couple shares in GME, and So far, it is working out as long as I watch these pretty steadily. Let's see here. Now this right here, if this wick wasn't so long, this might have actually been a 3-line strike, and then boom, straight to the moon. But in our opinion, the 3-line strike like this right here, this is looking more like a 3-line strike. Those candles should be just a little fuller. But this is a 3-line strike. It's above VWAP, and typically it goes up after that. But in this scenario, it didn't, because this is a little different here. So that's AMC. Let's go back to my favorite ticker, VUZI. So VUZI is definitely tapered off. There's not a whole lot of volume. The MACD is red and it's turning bright red, which means that the volume is mostly sells. Let's take a look at the level 2 here. Yep, that is not looking great. Not looking great at all, but it's all right. We got all day. It's still early. 9 o'clock's still coming. 9's a good time too. Let's see what else. What else can we look at here? You know what? I like this this website here. Seems to have pretty good news. I'm gonna bring that on the screen here for you guys. Let's go ahead and do that. So this here is VUZI. They do have great information on tickers, screeners, things like that. So let's put in VUZI. VUZI Corporation, there it is. All right, so if you look here, VUZI looks pretty amazing. You have that nice upward, beautiful. I mean, I know it's beautiful. I've told you guys this. There's the 1 minute. Let's see here. All right, I am over there. There we go. So let's see. As you guys know, Maxim downgraded it. Maxim Group. I don't like them. I don't like the game they played with the stock. So Maxim Group downgraded it from buy to hold. And the reason that they did this on March 16th was so that they would drop the price of the ticker so that they can purchase more shares, because they actually said that the reason that they did this is because they think that the stock's going to be great in the future. So they wanted to drop the price of it down so that they can go ahead and buy more shares, because it's going to be great in the future. Some of the DD that I've done on this company actually says that this is the next Tesla. This is the Tesla of augmented reality glasses. So once again, 162 patents. They've won CES awards since 2005 till present. I mean, Kathy Wood, ARK CEO, ARK Invest CEO, she has bought, let's see, the first order she put in, I think, was for like 120,000 shares. Second one was like for 283 or something like that, 1,000 shares. And then recently, what date was that? That was, what was it, the 11th? Nope. Sorry, guys. Well, anyway, she bought, I think it was just, what's today? Today's the 19th, so I think it was on the 16th that Kathy Wood purchased another 349,200 shares of VUZI. So this lady purchased Tesla back in the day when it was cheap, and definitely knows what she's doing. So yeah, there's some more info there. This is why I love this site, FinViz. I love it because it gives you tons of information about any ticker you want to look at. You know, so previous close, 23.84, price 25.28, change 6.04. You know, it shows some pretty awesome stuff. Let's see. So yeah, so it was actually kind of funny. Going back to the Maxim group. So Maxim came out with, you know, dropping from buy to hold, and then right after that, Craig, what was the guy's name? Craig. Let me look it up real quick. We'll go back to VUZI here. Take a look. Oh, what had happened was. So this is where I go back to the VWAP being support. So if you look right here, this is the VWAP. VWAP's right here, right? This thing dropped back down to support. Hopefully it's going to bounce back up from the VWAP. It's usually what it does. Let's see if it does it while I look up that information that I was trying to tell you guys about. Let's see, the guy's name was Craig Hallam. He adjusted VUZI's price target to 30 from 12, maintains buy rating. So as you see, that's pretty amazing. And actually, I just remembered where I saw it. And let's see, Craig Hallam. No, there's Kathy Wood, ARK Invest post fund purchases for Tuesday, and there is VUZI there. And then it was in here. Where is it? Oh, another cool thing about VUZI. So right here on the 17th of March, VUZI receives $400,000 initial order for smart glasses from major U.S. insurance firm. So that's actually pretty cool because what was it? Their earnings, third quarter earnings were like 4 million, something like that. So the fact that they came out with this beautiful start of 400,000, like that's 10% of. Let's see. Sorry, I know I saw it here. There's that. Oh, there it is, right here. Craig Hallam adjusts VUZI's price target to 30 from 12, maintains buy rating. That was same day, right after Maxim Group downgrades VUZI's to hold rating from buy. I mean, this is market manipulation, if you ask me. I mean, you know, somebody that's an analysis of a ticker just dropped the price on the 16th. Let's go back to the 16th. Oops, 5 day, 5 minute. So let's go back to the 16th. So here's the 16th. If you look, the ticker was at $20.69. It opened up, went up to $21.48, did a nice little cup. I thought it was making a handle, kind of did. This not real. Oh yeah, we're on the 5 minute. That's right. So here it did a little cup and handle. It went from 21.71, 21.50, all the way up to 22.66, and then it dropped. So I'm assuming, because it does not. Oh wait, actually, if I click on this, it will tell me when they came out with the news about Maxim. So this news here came out at 11:14 a.m. EDT. Okay. So 11:40 a.m. EDT on the 16th. We are on the 16th. Let's go to. So there's 8:35, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 3 hours. Is it 3 hours? I think something like that. So you're looking at about right here, and look what happens. See that? Look at that. It worked. Their plan to tank the stock $2, $3 under what it opened up at, call it 21 bucks, tanked it all the way to 18.72. So their plan worked. The news with Craig Hallam came out. That came out. Where is he again? Downgrades, VUZI. There's Craig Hallam. His news came out 12:20 p.m. EDT, and his news did nothing to the stock. It continued to drop. So it's crazy, market manipulation, right, guys? But anyways, so here we go. So yesterday was very nice. We hit that 26 mark. Today we're a little low on volume. Not a whole lot, but I mean, for VUZI, it's for a quad witching day, it's a little low. Looks like everything's pretty much red for the most part. All right, so no new news on VUZI. Well, anyways, guys, if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'm not going to stay on this for too much longer. I will probably hop back on and do another video once VUZI does cross that threshold of 28 bucks. But as you guys see, that's a little bit away, huh? But still, look at this trend, guys. Look, this is beautiful. So we'll just do this real quick. Yep, right about there. Look at that. So it goes from, we'll call it 20 bucks to 22 to 23.50. What I'm talking about here is levels of support and resistance. Once the stock reaches the level of resistance and goes above it, then that level of resistance becomes the support. And if you look, it has been following the VWAP pretty well. So anyways, from $17 5 days ago to $26, that's a huge swing, guys. $9 in 5 days, just hanging out. And just so you guys know, this is my cash cow. I've made thousands of dollars on this ticker, just playing around with it. At this point, I'm up about $3,600 on this ticker, buying in at the $15.58 mark. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the show. If you like this channel, like I said, hit subscribe, like, and share, and hit that little bell thing on the side there, and hopefully we can make the bulls run. And yeah, enjoy your day, trade smart. I'll talk to you guys.